Welcome to the Basler Power Pack for Microscopy unboxing and installation tutorial. I'm Dennis Detmer, a product manager at Basler. In this video I'm going to show what's inside this package and how easy it is to mount the camera on a microscope. I will also install the Basler Microscopy software on the PC. The Power Pack comes with a Basler Microscopy camera, a 3-meter USB cable and a comprehensive and easy to follow quick install guide. When choosing a package with a Basler Microscopy Pulse camera, you also get a CS to C-mount adapter. One core element is the Basler Microscopy software, which is well matched with your camera. Your Power Pack also includes the Basler video recording software. Taking single images, recording high-speed videos and image sequences becomes very easy. Find out more on our website. For mounting a camera to a microscope, you will always need a camera adapter. Specifications for the right adapter can be found on our website. Mounting the camera on the microscope is easily done. Connect the USB 3 cable to the camera and you're ready to go. The Basler Microscopy software can be installed within a few minutes. Just follow the instructions. When your microscope and sample are ready to use, start the software. Click on the Live View button in the camera control window to get the live image of your sample. The image on the PC appears just as when you're looking through the binocular. As you can see, the Basler Power Pack for Microscopy comes with all necessary components to ensure easy setup and operation. Thanks for watching and check out the additional tutorials. Welcome to another tutorial for Basler's Power Pack for Microscopy. I'm Dennis Detmer, a product manager at Basler. In this video, we'll have a closer look at some of the powerful tools integrated into the Basler Microscopy software. You will learn about the user interface, how to change or reset your software and camera settings, and how to save time when capturing even large amounts of images. The Basler Microscopy software is the centerpiece of the Power Pack. It's designed for easy handling and reliable performance and is well matched with the Basler Microscopy cameras. When starting the software, you'll find the camera control window on the right. One click on the Live button and the live image appears. You can take an image by clicking on Snapshot. Furthermore, this is the place to easily adjust the camera settings to your needs. For example, use the auto exposure function or adjust the exposure manually. The auto exposure can be set to a specific region, such as when working in critical light situations. The exposure compensation allows the auto exposure to run in higher or lower levels. Use this text field to save important metadata for your image. Within the camera settings, it is possible to adjust the color settings for even better images. Of special interest is the sharpening feature. It reduces blur from the depth of field and increases sharpness. This feature works in real time inside the camera without any CPU usage. This is actually a highly useful feature of Basler cameras. The fluorescence presets offer pseudo-color options which colorize the live view and images taken with monochrome cameras. if a reset to one or more default settings is needed. Just open the acquisition settings within the camera control window, choose the required settings and press the default button. In the same dialog window, you'll find the document and saving settings. Enter text or use timestamps or counter digits to create the file names of your images automatically. This eases the handling of multiple samples and images and saves lots of time in your everyday work. Under Saving Settings, change the destination to File System if you want to automatically save the images taken with the snapshot button. Choose the file type and directory as needed. With Create Subdirectory, the software automatically creates customized subfolders depending on your custom settings, for example with the current date as the folder name. At the bottom of your software window, you'll find the annotation window as well as information about the current zoom level and color values. More features are located in the top menu. Under View, I recommend activating the Property and Measurement windows, as well as the Scale bar. They all provide very helpful features. There's another handy feature under the View menu, especially for fluorescence applications. When you work in a dark environment, try out the dark application skin. As you can see, the professional Basler microscopy software offers many features. With an intuitive user interface, it is still easy to use. Thanks for watching and don't forget to check out our other tutorials. Welcome to another tutorial about the Basler Microscopy software, which comes with your Basler Power Pack. I'm Dennis Detmer and I work as a product manager at Basler. In this video you will learn how to calibrate the microscope objectives and how to use the measurement tool. Let's start with calibrating the microscope objectives. To open the settings for the microscope objectives, choose Acquire from the top menu, Devices, Device Settings and Manual Nosepiece. The Basler microscopy software comes with a pre-calibration for the most common magnifications. Of course, you can add your own settings or change the existing presets to your needs. I recommend calibrating your objectives manually to get the most accurate results. For that, click on Calibrations. The following dialog guides you through each step. In case you're adding a new lens magnification, the software will automatically ask you for a calibration. Click on Calibrate to select the microscope objective you want to calibrate. Don't forget to set the current magnification of your microscope. Then click on Next to set the reference distance. Define a start and end point in the image with a left click of your mouse. Click the checkmark symbol in the top menu bar to confirm the input. Then enter the length of the reference distance and the measurement unit and click OK. With verifying your calibration, the calibration process is completed. Now you can exit all windows by clicking the OK or Close buttons, and we are ready to do accurate measurements. If it is not preset there already, click View, Tool Windows and Measurement to add the measurement window to your screen. Now have a look at the bottom of your screen. Measurements can be taken in live images or snapshots. Select the Line tool from the Measurement tool window. Define the start and end point of your measurement with 2 left mouse clicks. To be more precise if necessary, scroll the mouse wheel to zoom into the image. When you're done, the measured distance appears in the Measurement tool window. If needed, use a right click on the measurement line to change its color and thickness. To change the measurement units, go to Tools, Options and open Measurement Results. Then select the prefix of your preferred unit from the drop-down menu. With Measurement Display, you can define the appearance of new measurement objects. For example, you can show the distance values directly in the image or change the text colors or line thickness. Close the window with OK, and the changes will be immediately applied to your measurement. The measurement tool also allows you to measure angles and polygon shapes. For angles, you first set the center and then the sides of the angle. For polygons, you set a chain of points and close a shape with a right click. Furthermore, you can define names for every measurement. Use a double click in the table and enter a name. As you can see, the Basler microscopy software gives you all necessary tools to make accurate calibrations and measurements with ease. Thanks for watching and don't forget to check out our other tutorials. Welcome to another tutorial about the Basler microscopy software, which comes with your Basler Power Pack. I'm Dennis Detmer and I work as a product manager at Basler. Today we have a closer look at the special sharpness feature and time-saving fluorescence color presets. When using high magnifications with any kind of microscope or camera, blur occurs due to a limited depth of field. To improve the image quality, Basler has implemented a sharpness feature that eliminates blur in image areas with fine or sharp structures, even before taking a picture. Simply adjust the level of sharpness by using the sharpness slider. You can see the results immediately in the live view. Since all calculations are made directly inside the camera, this feature does not increase your processor load. To make your fluorescence imaging more convenient and to save you valuable time, Basler has integrated color presets for the most common fluorescence markers. You can configure a preset button to your own requirements. Just click on Configure Fluorescence Preset Buttons and select the preset button you want to change. Edit the color table to any set of colors. Even the divisions of the color gradient can be redefined. You can also load additional presets by clicking the Load Color Table button. In fluorescence applications, it's most common to use monochrome cameras as they deliver more precise image information than color cameras. Images taken from a live view with a fluorescence preset still remain monochrome images. That's indicated by the Grayscale icon in the Image tab. This ensures a maximum information level in your images for further processing in other applications. For saving a colorized image, you simply need to convert your image to RGB Color Mode. Choose Image from the top menu, then Mode and click on RGB Color. Now, as indicated by the Color tab icon, you are working in Color Mode. Freeware tools can be used to merge red, green and blue channel images. The result is an impressive color image taken by the Basler microscopy software. Thanks for watching and don't forget to check out our other tutorials.